Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at adverb of degree, a beginner guide. So let's get started. What is an adverb of degree in English? An adverb of degree is one of many types of the part of speech, adverb. An adverb of degree is used to describe the extent, intensity, measure or degree of an action verb, adjective, or another adverb. The main function of degree adverbs is to describe the degree of something, a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Continue watching the video to learn adverb of degree meaning, definition, placement rules, and example sentences. This video covers adverb of degree, meaning and definition, adverb of degree examples and sentences, adverb of degree placement, adverb of degree list, adverb of degree exercises, and facts or frequently asked questions, adverb of degree. Adverb of degree, meaning and definition. What does an adverb of degree mean? The word degree in the phrase adverb of degree refers to the extent, measure, or scope of an action, condition, or relation. Therefore, an adverb that describes the extent, measure, or scope of an action is called an adverb of degree. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, adverbs of degree are used to show the intensity or degree of something. They can be used before adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs. So, by definition, adverbs of degree are words that tell us about the extent, intensity, or degree of something. Adverbs of degree more specifically describe the degree of an action, a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs of degree answer the question, to what extent? Here are the most common degree adverbs in English. Extremely, very, quite, almost, fully, entirely, largely, completely, true, enough, slightly, totally, fairly, etc. Adverbs of degree examples in sentences. Learn how the below given highlighted words act as adverbs of degree and understand carefully which words, verb, adjective, or adverbs of degree modify. Here are a few example sentences contain degree adverbs. Number 1. Mickey has an extremely tall stature. 2. Our buttermilk was too cold. 3. This season is really chilly. 4. John has nearly finished his homework. 5. Today's class is remarkably enthusiastic. 6. It's very cold outside. 7. He is almost done with his work. 8. He has changed completely after he came from the USA. Adverbs of degree placement rules. Understanding the placement of adverbs of degree is a bit difficult task as there's no fixed position of these adverbs. We therefore give below the possible guidelines as to how correctly place adverbs of degree in sentences. Here are some of the usually followed rules that govern the position of degree adverbs. Rule 1. Degree adverbs are used before the words they modify, verb, adjective, or adverb. Examples: A. The flight has just left the airport. The flight has just left the airport. B. This is an entirely different topic. This is an entirely different topic. C. I do it very rarely. I do it very rarely. Rule 2. Some adverbs of degree like really, very, and quite are usually used in the middle of a sentence. Examples: A. I really love it. I really love it. B. He is very good. He is very good. C. You're quite silent today. You're quite silent today. Rule 3. Adverbs of degree like a bit, much, and a lot are used at the end of a sentence. Examples: A. He feels ashamed a bit. He feels ashamed a bit. B. John likes it much. John likes it much. C. They adore it a lot. They adore it a lot. A list of adverbs of degree. Here is the list of adverbs of degree which you'll most commonly find in both spoken and written English. Chew. Chew. Horribly. Horribly. Almost. Almost. Barely. Barely. Quite. Quite. Hardly. Hardly. Very. Very. Unusually. Unusually. Completely. Completely. Absolutely. Absolutely. Somewhat. Somewhat. Terribly. Terribly. Extremely. Extremely. Wonderfully. Wonderfully. Deeply. Deeply. Fully. Fully. Fairly. Fairly. Incredibly. Incredibly. Enough. Enough. Really. Really. Remarkably. Remarkably. Highly. Highly. Less. Less. Just. Just. Strongly. Strongly. Largely. Largely. Scarcely. Scarcely. Badly. Badly. Most. Most. Much. Much. Intensely. Intensely. Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Pretty. Pretty. Insanely. Insanely. Greatly. Greatly. Little. Little. Least. Least. Purely. Purely. Utterly. Utterly. So this video ends here about adverb of degree, a beginner guide. Thanks for watching.